Hola, my name is Azalea and I teach Spanish with Take Lessons Live. Do you want to learn how to say the colors in Spanish? Well, in this lesson, I'll show you how to pronounce some of the most common Spanish colors and how to use them correctly in your sentences. So stay tuned and don't forget to click the link below to check out our free online Spanish classes. The colors in Spanish. Let's start with red. Rojo. Rojo. El auto es rojo. The car is red. Dark red is rojo oscuro. Rojo oscuro. You can roll the R. Rojo oscuro. The car is dark red. El carro es rojo oscuro. Maroon is marrón. Marrón. Roll the R. Marrón. El carro es marrón. The car is maroon. Orange is naranja. Naranja. El vestido es naranja. The dress is orange. Yellow is amarillo. Amarillo. The blouse is yellow. La blusa es amarilla. La blusa es amarilla. Green is verde. Verde. Sounds like B. Verde. Don't worry about vibrating v like in English. Verde. El pasto es verde. Blue is azul. Azul. Same thing. You don't have to vibrate the Z. Azul, like S. El cielo es azul. The sky is blue. Navy blue is azul marino. Azul marino. His socks are navy blue. Sus calcetines son azul marino. Sky blue is celeste. Celeste. El cielo es celeste. The sky is sky blue. Royal blue is azul rey. Azul rey. Su camisa es azul rey. His shirt is royal blue. Purple is morado o púrpura. Morado o púrpura. My favorite color is purple. Mi color favorito es morado. Violet is violeta. Violeta. La flor es violeta. The flower is violet. Pink, rosa. Rosa. El vestido es rosa. The dress is pink. Hot pink can be fuchsia o rosa fuerte. Rosa fuerte. El marcatextos es rosa fuerte. The highlighter is hot pink. Magenta is magenta. Magenta. The lights are magenta. Las luces son magenta. Brown can be café or marrón. Café o marrón. El chocolate es café. The chocolate is brown. Black, negro. Negro. La televisión es negra. The TV is black. White, blanco. Blanco. Las nubes son blancas. The clouds are white. Gray, gris. Gris. El ratón es gris. The mouse is gray. Tan color can be crema. Crema. La alfombra es crema. The carpet is tan. The colors always come after the noun in a sentence. The yellow road. El camino amarillo. El camino amarillo. The white snow. La nieve blanca. La nieve blanca. Some colors, such as red, yellow, white, and black, have gender. They can be masculine or feminine, depending on the noun. El auto es rojo. El auto es rojo. Auto is masculine. The car is masculine. Therefore, rojo with an O. El auto es rojo. La manzana es roja. La manzana es roja. La manzana is feminine, therefore we're going to use an A. Roja. El plátano es amarillo. El plátano es amarillo. Plátano is banana, but it's masculine in Spanish. Therefore, amarillo has an O. La flor es amarilla. La flor es amarilla. La flor is feminine, the flower. Therefore, we're going to use amarilla. La flor es amarilla. Some other colors stay the same. Blue, green, pink, brown, they all stay the same. For example, el cielo es azul. The sky is blue. La blusa es azul. The blouse is blue. El cielo is masculine. La blusa is feminine, but we don't have to do anything with the color. It stays azul. Other colors may look feminine, like rosa, ends with an A, but you can use it for both masculine or feminine. La rosa es rosa. The rose is pink. El cerdo es rosa. The pig is pink. To make a color plural, it's very easy. Just look after the vowel. If it ends in a vowel, you're just going to add an S. For example, rojo, rojos, roja, rojas. If the color ends in a consonant, like azul, you're going to add ES, ES. Azul, azules. And now it's time for a quiz. Number 1. Las plantas son verdes. Las plantas son verdes. Número 2. Number 2. El sol es amarilla. El sol es amarilla. Number 3. Número 3. La sandía es rojo. La sandía es rojo. Number 4. Número 4. El libro es rosa. El libro es rosa. Número 5. Number 5. La guitarra es café. La guitarra es café. Las plantas son verdes. El sol es amarilla. El sol es amarilla. La sandía es rojo. El libro es rosa. El libro es rosa. La guitarra es café. La guitarra es café. Great job with the quiz! Which of the Spanish colors is your favorite to say? Leave a comment and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with more helpful Spanish tutorials.